Sedap. Serang. Jangan ke sini. Dia mempica bunga tuh yang bikin barat. Ada baik-baik. Tembak silang lagi. Out. Manis sih. keras lu. Hah?
Belum mati sama sekali. Ini memori berapa?
Ini untuk pakai 16.
Selama ini sih bersimbang kan handphone kan? Memori handphone.
Masih. Nah, YouTube. YouTube hapus. Upload hapus semua.
Iya, kamu lihat 16 giga.
Hah?
Iya, kamu lihat. Biasa dua di mana?
Saya di habis deh. Benci satu tira dengan kampus nanti. Lanjut tuh. Hitung 42. Lanjut 42.
Main kayak pertandingan boleh.
Hah?
Main kayak pertandingan.
Itu saja game. Simbal saya supaya baru supaya cepat tuh. Nanti kalau keturunan partai kan partai 21. Partai waktu tingkat sampai waktu.
Mana siapa? Mana siapa?
Ini yang pelekan harus kapan? Mau tekor.
Di sini yang ada di sini. Ay, penting.
Hah?
Ay, penting ada cupan di leher.
Kurang ke belakang.
Dia tanya kangen atau pingin, dia bilang pingin. Pasti meli kayaknya.
Gimana itu? Jakarta lah.
Jogja. Ini main kata putra bukan main tunggal putra.
Iyo, ser orang. Kita sendiri setiap satu orang memang di sana pasti kita bola dua.
Out. Kenapa keluar nih?
Hah?
Ayat 8 mau keluar nih.
Curang.
Sekarang apa mau keluar nih?
Hah? Keluar.
Sekarang apa mau keluar nih? iPhone 8 keren kan?
iPhone 8 sama saya coba lihat di YouTube bos. Ini kelebihannya apa iPhone 8?
Belum.
Sudah kapan? Mungkin malam. Udah.
iPhone 7. Dia punya ini yang bohong, dia punya. fairnya dari kau jatuh sampai picu.
This thing looks heavily influenced by it, and wow, what a look. So this is the iPhone edition, the iPhone 8, the Pro model, if it were to be released by Steve Jobs back in 2008. It's got a jet black most comfortable phone ever. As well, on the back and conform and we remove these speakers from the bottom and place them on the top of the phone, as you know, it just seems like a more logical choice. You have outward facing speakers beaming straight to you, you have the dual lens camera on the back. The buttons are inspired by the 3G again, and I gotta say, it looks absolutely stunning. So major props to the Pro King. It's also got a curved display that's taking up most of the front of the phone without actually copying the Samsung Galaxy S8. So just wanted to share that with you guys. Let me know your thoughts down below. Worked very hard on this. Anyways, let's get to those juicy rumors. Now, the very first thing I want to say is this is in camera, guys. I do apologize if these are so first time. Also, to work with me on that. Elephant in the room here, the Samsung Galaxy S8. It was just announced. You know, there was a lot of tension already before it was announced between the Galaxy S8 and iPhone 8. You know, how are they going to react feature-wise? How are they going to is the iPhone going to copy them? Is the Galaxy going to copy the iPhone? I gotta give props to Samsung. They didn't really do much copying here whatsoever. But viewing on the bottom row of the home button for the Galaxy S8 is sort of 3D touch, but it's literally the only comparison or the similarity between the iPhone and Galaxy. So it's an amazing phone. I'll give it props. It looks so difficult to compete. So that I'm going to talk about in this video that say otherwise. It might even look better than the Galaxy S8. So a lot of people are saying the iPhone 8 is dead.
Control light.
Looks more futuristic than the iPhone as is already. Yet the iPhone is faith in Apple here. I think despite the fact that it's in my mind, I have several things that Apple can do. But the iPhone 8 will have first off a built-in fingerprint sensor in the display. So instead of putting one on the back, have one on the surface of the phone, so you don't have to fiddle with that fingerprint sensor on the back of the phone like the S8. To have a truly bezel-less section on the top of the Galaxy, just have a full screen as rumored. That would make the iPhone look so amazingly good. And I think the 3D modeling front-facing camera on the iPhone would be a big winner. So the Galaxy S8 can bypass the solution would be to model your face, and instead of a photo being able to, you actually have to have a 3D physical model of the face, which is much more difficult to bypass the security. So
belum coba udah pasang.
Marun.
Out, paling banyak kali out. Pukul sing kontrol. Hah? Semangat sih semangat tapi kontrol aja.
Bos apa itu Bang? Sama dong, sama apanya ya? Sama apa ya? Sama apa ya?
Sama apa?
Sama ini. Kentotin.
Udah pajar kan. Mau ambil setelah dari tadi bola out tinggal semangat sih semangat tapi semangat yang kontrol.
Itu pemain tuh pemain tuh main mal kayak mana?
Iya itu. Kalau begitu langsung 2 partai. mau ini tuh sulala sulala. Begitu. Namanya kontrol tuh begitu.
Menangnya?